With these initiatives going on within CareSource, what does it take from technology leaders such as yourself to really lead your teams towards leveraging these technologies aside from hiring outside of the talent pool that you already have within that organization? How do you help your technology teams really add the most value or return on investment for the organization?
Well, so leadership is a long topic, but specifically, when you're trying to drive innovation and innovative solutions, yes, you need to hire great people and you need to empower them. The number one thing to create innovation is you need to incentivize and encourage them to take risks. And it may sound like, well, that's way too simple. Most organizations say they want innovation, but they're unwilling to deal with the level of experimentation and risk that it takes with experimentation. So if you want real innovation and you have to, from a leader perspective, one, you have to build a structure that allows your team not to fail fast, but to experiment, which means all of your dollars are not going to be fixed. You can't quantify exactly how much each project is going to cost. You don't know.
Mhm.
So you've got to build relationships with your business partners to make sure that they know and that there's a level of trust between them and yourself that we're going to create innovative solutions, which means we're going to try things. And some of those things may fail and they may get squishy, but that's okay. And then two, it's really about encouraging the teams. We really want you to be innovative. In the healthcare space, a lot of times it's very risk adverse. You're dealing with members, you're paying millions or billions of dollars in claims a week. You need the accuracy and data matters. And so risk taking is not top of mind. But for an innovative digital transformation work, that's exactly what's key. So the number one thing from a leader perspective is finding ways to not only encourage your people to try new things and be innovative, but then to applaud when they fail and be willing to take risks yourselves. Because as a leader, sometimes we can get wrapped up in how we look versus the outcomes we're driving, and risk equals reward, right? So if you want a big reward, you have to take a big risk. And the big risk is to really enabling your team to have innovative approaches and ideas. And sometimes those innovations may be contrary to what you think as a leader. And then having that open mind and listening to your teams and getting feedback really is a game changer. So that's really the two things. You got to have a backbone to be willing to deal with the risk, but at the same time, you need to be open-minded enough to listen.